In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a phone/tablet pillow stand. Check this out. This is from the company Viozon, and looking over it here, you can see right here, it fits up to a 4.7-inch phone right here with a magnet, and then it uses a 7 or 13-inch tablet. And I have a 13-inch tablet, and you know what? I have a iPhone there. And just looking over the side here, over the package, you can kind of see how it works. Pretty simple how this thing works. The actual setup of it is almost nothing. Look at that. It's like it comes out of the package just like this. So it comes in this black color, and that helps out with any of the like staining and things like that. You can see there's a magnet built in right there and a little like stand right here. And I'm going to show you how this thing works. It's pretty simple. There's a few things you can do. So if your phone, like my phone, actually has a magnet already on it, but what they've done, they give you enough to set one up if you need to. See that? That works out just perfect, and that's stout. That mounts on there, stout. You clean it off, you basically just stick this on the back of your phone or tablet like that, and inside of here, I think inside of here is just like some little type of warranty cards. Oh, a product brochure that kind of goes over different mounts. All of these different mounts. These guys have a lot of really cool stuff. I actually have several of their items, and I've been very impressed with it. If you ever need to clean it or anything, you take it off right here, unscrew it, and then you could take this whole pillow off and clean it. But check this out. You see how that mounts over like that? Mounts just like that. There's my phone. I can go vertical, horizontal. Okay, I showed you the phone there. The phone was easy to mount. Now I'm going to show you the tablet. So there's a safety stop right here. You can either use it or not use it, but see how it's locked up like that? You can get a tablet. Now I don't have a magnetic ring on the back of this. So what I'm going to do is just sit in there like that, and check it out. I'm going to push that safety stop up there. Now that's going to hold it. Now it's not going to hold the back without a safety stop in there. So you're going to have to put that on there. But looking at it just like this, that will work perfect. This is something, and then you could put drinks right here. I can watch a movie. I can sit here, go over my tablet, whatever. Or I could actually put the phone right here and a drink right here, and then I can watch a whole movie right here, have my drink, have my phone, and everything is good to go right there. Now remember, that's what that safety stop is, and always remember to fold that up under there. There's magnets under that, and you see I don't really need it with my cell phone, because my cell phone has a magnet there and a magnet here. It's not going to go anywhere, so you can easily just slide this back and forth just like that. And then when this thing is not in use, you'll just fold it down, and you could slide it up under a couch or something like that. Kind of looks cool just sitting there. Very nice, and it's this black color, so it's not going to be as dirty as, say, like the white ones was. And I think that's just a little hanger or something right there. That's what that is. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got for the phone and tablet holder. See you on the next video.